Hi, my name is Anish. I'm a migrant from India and I'm a structural engineer. I currently live in the state of Queensland and I've been living in Australia for a year. When I arrived in Australia, I struggled a lot to secure a job in my field. Even though I had overseas experience, most companies rejected my applications because I didn't have local experience, no knowledge of Australian standards and codes, and I lacked practical exposure to local construction methods. I didn't know how to prepare any Australian style portfolio, how to answer any technical interview questions, or even what employers were really expecting. This affected both my career progress and confidence, and I felt stuck despite being qualified. When I came across LearnPedia, what really stood out were Mauli's detailed explanation in the sample videos and Alex's clarity about how the Australian industry works and how hiring happens here. Their honesty and clear way of teaching made me realize that I needed proper guidance to bridge my knowledge, the gap. That's when I decided to join the traineeship. I enrolled in the designing and drafting single story dwellings plus internship program. LearnPedia helped me understand Australian codes, local construction methods, material selection, and residential design from the ground up. This training gave me the exact industry knowledge employers were looking for. Because of this, I was able to secure a job even before completing the traineeship. The training materials were extremely clear, well structured, and easy to understand. It started from the basics, foundations, material, construction sequencing, and then build up the more advanced residential design concepts. Everything was easy to follow, even for someone new to Australian system. Molly was amazing. She was friendly, patient, and very supportive. I had many opportunities for one on one interaction, and she always corrected my mistakes and explained how to improve. Group discussions were engaging, and she encouraged everyone to participate and ask questions. LearnPedia is very different from other training programs because you learn using real life projects step by step. There are live sessions, real example, constant guidance, and very human personalized approach. Molly's teaching style and the overall structure of the program are unique. Nothing feels rushed, and every topic is practical. Other courses I tried in the past just gave information quickly and left you alone to figure things out. There were no live sessions, no real projects, and no personal interaction. LearnPedia, on the other hand, teaches you exactly how things are done in the industry. You learn by actual designing and drafting real projects, which is what employers want. Because of this training, I would say I'm 100% certain about getting job interviews and being hired. And in fact, I already secured a job before completing the traineeship. My main concern was whether this program would really help me secure a job, especially since I had no local experience. But after seeing how clearly everything was explained and how practical the content was, my fear disappeared. And today, I confidently say the training was worth it. If someone's watching this, considering joining LearnPedia, I would tell them you can gain years of industry experience and confidence in just few months. Why would you say no to that? Start now. Your future self will thank you.